time our topic is future tense. We have already learned present tense and past tense and their types, all their types. Now this time our topic is future tense. What does future tense indicate? It indicates future actions, those actions that will take place in future or that will happen in future, that will happen after present, that will happen after present. And there are some situations that we cannot control, that are due to happen in future. We cannot control them, and we use future tense in those situations also. There are many types of future tense. Number one is simple future tense. Number two is future progressive tense. Number three is future perfect tense. And number four is future perfect progressive tense or future perfect continuous tense. Let's try to understand first simple future. First is simple future. Simple future. Simple future tense. How do we indicate simple future tense? We use will or shall plus base form of the verb. Will or shall plus base form of the verb. Base form you know. Go, write, play, eat. Without adding s or es or making past. This is known as base form of the verb. So examples are: I shall meet him. I shall meet him. I will do this work. I will do this work. Will do, shall meet. So, and this is future tense. This is simple future tense. We use will or shall and then base form of the verb to show future actions. To show future actions. So this is about future, simple future. And I was telling you, we can express simple future in four ways. Number one is will or shall plus base form. Number two is be going to form, be going to form, or be going to structure. I am going to buy a car. You are going to buy a car. तो ये स्ट्रक्चर भी हम इसके लिए यूज करते हैं. किसके लिए? To express simple future. For example, I am going to become a pilot. I am going to become a pilot. ठीक? He is going to buy a car. Going to buy a car. Am going to, is going to. This means be going to structure. Be going to structure. And what does this show? This shows our decision or intention. I am going to become a pilot. So I have decided to become a pilot. He is going to buy a car. He has decided to buy a car. So we use this structure, be going to express simple future when we have taken some decision or it expresses our intention. So it expresses two things that will then take place in future: intention and decision. We already intended to do something and we have already decided to do something, but the action will take in future. Okay. ये इसका पहला था. अब इसका दूसरा भी है, be going to. It shows near future. It shows near future. Very, very near future or near happening. Near, देखो very interesting यहाँ पे. It shows very, very near future or very, very near happening that will take place in future. For example, the bomb is going to explode. The bomb is going to explode. I am going to sneeze. I am going to sneeze. I am going to give you a gift. Here it is. तो जो actions अभी भी होने वाले हैं थोड़े ही टाइम में, we use this structure. The bomb is going to explode, so the bomb will explode in a few seconds. So it shows near future. The bomb is going to explode. ठीक है ना? I am going to sneeze. मैं छींक रहा हूँ, अभी मैं छींकूंगा. I am going to sneeze. I am going to give you a gift. Here it is. तो मेरे पास गिफ्ट है, अभी मैं आपको दे दूंगा. So this will take place in near future. Okay. I'm going to become a pilot. He is going to buy a car. So we use be going to structure here. Be going to structure here. Here will and shall. इसमें एक और भी example है. Very important, very interesting. देखो वो क्या है? It is raining. It is raining. I will take an umbrella. I will take an umbrella. The doctor is out. I will wait. कभी हम अचानक फैसला लेते हैं बात करते करते. Sometimes we take a sudden decision. We make a sudden decision while talking or while speaking, and we use will. It was base form of the verb. So वहाँ पे हम will use करते हैं, ठीक है ना? It is raining. I will take an umbrella. ठीक है ना? Okay. एक और बात आपको याद रखनी है. I will call you. I will call you when he comes. When he comes. कभी-कभी दो future actions होती हैं, लेकिन दोनों में हम will use नहीं करते हैं. एक में हम present simple use करते हैं, एक में हम present simple use करते हैं. I will call you यहाँ तो ये future है, ठीक है ना? Will call and दूसरे action when he comes means when he will come. जब वो आएगा मैं आपको call करूँगा, लेकिन दोनों जगह पे हम will use नहीं करते हैं. एक ही जगह पे हम will use करते हैं, दूसरी जगह पे present simple. ये भी आपको याद रखना है. Okay, so this is how we use future, how we express simple future tense. Will or shall plus base form of the verb. Here are two examples and here are three more examples. Then be going to structure also is used to express future. I'm going to become a pilot, he's going to buy a car. So this shows decision that we have already taken or intention, what we want to do. इसके बाद इसका दूसरा भी नियर फ्यूचर भी दिखाता है. ये जो ये स्ट्रक्चर है बी गोइंग टू, ये हमें नियर फ्यूचर भी दिखाता है. वेरी वेरी नियर फ्यूचर, ठीक है ना? द बॉम्ब इज गोइंग टू एक्सप्लोड. आई एम गोइंग टू स्नीज, ठीक है ना? ओके. तो इसके बाद है प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस, उसका दूसरा नाम क्या है? शाबाश. यस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस और प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. इसको भी हम फ्यूचर के लिए, फ्यूचर दिखाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. हम उर्दू में भी कह सकते हैं मैं कल वहां जा रहा हूं, वो कल आ रहा है, ठीक है ना? सो वी यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस और प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस टू शो फ्यूचर. ओके, लेकिन इसमें आपको याद रखना है कि इसमें जरूरी होते हैं हमारे जो पर्सनल अरेंजमेंट्स होते हैं वो इसमें आते हैं. पर्सनल अरेंजमेंट्स जो हमने खुद ही अरेंजमेंट बनाया हुआ होता है या प्लानिंग की हुई होती है, तो वही इसमें वही सिचुएशन इसमें आती हैं और इसमें एक टाइम एक्सप्रेशन भी हम देते हैं, ठीक है ना? ओके. आई एम सीइंग द डॉक्टर टुमारो. आई एम सीइंग द डॉक्टर टुमारो. तो हमने क्या यूज किया है? एम सीइंग क्या है? प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. ये हमें फ्यूचर यहाँ पे दिखाता है, ठीक है ना? आई एम सीइंग द डॉक्टर टुमारो. ही इज अराइविंग टुमारो. or he's arriving in the evening. He's arriving in the evening. So evening में time expression है. He is arriving है present progressive tense और present continuous tense. It shows future. It shows future. लेकिन ये हमारा personal arrangement इसमें होता है. Personal planning होती है. वो time expression भी होती है. ठीक है ना? So we use present progressive tense to show future. To show future. इसके बाद तो पहले we learn simple future tense, how we express it, and then we learn how present progressive tense is used to express future. Now, there is present simple tense. Number 4, present simple tense. Present simple tense. तो indicate future. देखो simple future दिखाने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? Shall, will plus base form of the verb. Number 2, be going to structure. I am going to do something. You are going to do something. He is going to do something. ठीक है ना? तो ये हमारा decision दिखाता है और decision and intent, decision or intention, and it also indicates near future. Be going to form is used to show near future or those decisions that we have already taken or our intentions. Now present simple, it also is used to express future. हम उर्दू में भी बोलते हैं मैं कल उसे मिलता हूँ, मैं कल उसकी खबर लेता हूँ, ठीक है ना? तो वहाँ भी हम present simple को future दिखाने के लिए यूज करते हैं. लेकिन इसमें हमारे पर्सनल अरेंजमेंट्स नहीं होते हैं, इसमें कुछ ऑफिशियल अरेंजमेंट्स होते हैं. इसमें कुछ that we cannot change, so we have to remember official arrangements. We will find official arrangements in this case when we use present simple tense to express future. For example, the schools are open on 23rd of June, for example. The schools open, हम नहीं लिखते हैं कि the schools will open, meaning तो वही है, the schools will open on 23rd of June, but we use present simple tense. This is because this is an official arrangement, we cannot change it. Huh? The schools open on 23rd of June. The train leaves at 3 p.m. This means that the train will leave at 3 p.m. So we use present simple tense to express future. ठीक है ना? चलो एक और बात आपको बतानी है यहाँ पे. एक एग्जाम्पल है, I am seeing Jill tomorrow. Very very interesting example. And I am going to tell him what to do. Very very interesting example. Try to understand. I am seeing Jill tomorrow. यहाँ पे हमने कौन सा टेंस यूज किया फ्यूचर दिखाने के लिए? प्रेजेंट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. I am seeing Jill tomorrow. This is our personal arrangement. This is our personal arrangement. I am seeing Jill tomorrow means I will meet him tomorrow. And I am going to, यहाँ पे हम be going to form use करते हैं, be going to structure use करते हैं. And I am going to tell him what to do. तो ये क्या दिखा देके इंडिकेट करता है? मेरा इंटेंशन क्या है? मैं कल उसे मिलता हूँ. Emphasis is on personal arrangement. जोर किस पे यहाँ पे? Personal arrangement पे. When we use present progressive tense. लेकिन when we use be going to form, stress is on intention. What I will tell him? I will tell him what to do. I am seeing Jill tomorrow and I am going to tell him what to do. Now we completed a simple future. अब हमें देखना है future progressive. इसमें दो examples हम देखेंगे और complete हो गए. Simple future was a bit lengthy. Now, so first type of future tense was simple future. Second is future progressive tense. Future progressive tense. दूसरा नाम क्या है इसका? Future continuous tense. I will be doing, he will be doing, she will be doing, they will be doing. इसमें वही आता है, ठीक है ना? तो फ्यूचर में एक्शन कुछ देर के लिए कंटिन्यू रहेगी. आई विल बी राइटिंग अ पोएम at 10 p.m. ठीक. The principal will be distributing certificates at 4 p.m. तो फ्यूचर में ये एक्शन इट विल कंटिन्यू फॉर सम टाइम इन फ्यूचर. So this shows continuity of action at some point in future. So this tense shows continuity of an action at some point in future. ठीक है ना? The scientist will be giving another talk. The scientist will be giving another talk. तो ये भी इसी की एक एग्जाम्पल है. ठीक है ना? Now after this we have future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. Example से आपको क्लियर होगा. I will have written 10 poems by the end of this month. By the end of this month. By the end of this month. Will have written क्या है? Future perfect tense. Will have written, will आता पहले उसके बाद have plus third form of the verb. Will have written. Will have written. The painters will have. The painters will have painted all the walls. Painted all the walls. By then. तो उनने कंप्लीट किया होगा अपना काम उस वक्त. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. तो लास्ट है, जो लास्ट आपको देखना है, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्यूचर परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस. Future perfect progressive tense. Example है, I will have been working in the firm for 10 years in 2025. Will have been working at future perfect tense. तो उस वक्त मैंने फ्यूचर में इतना टाइम ये कंप्लीट मैंने किया होगा वहां पे. ठीक है ना? सो व्हाट डज दिस शो? दिस शोज एन एक्शन विल बी कंप्लीटेड. आई विल हैव बीन वर्किंग देयर, बट आई वुड हैव कंप्लीटेड that much of my work during that period. So I will have been working in the firm for 10 years in 2025. So thank you for watching. You can take some more examples.